Swapping tokens on KyberSwap allows you to easily exchange cryptocurrencies across multiple blockchains while getting competitive rates. Here's how to swap on KyberSwap. Access KyberSwap. Visit KyberSwap in your web browser. Connect your wallet. Click the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred wallet and follow the prompts to connect it. Select Token Pair. Once connected, select the token you want to swap from the first drop-down menu. Then, select the token you wish to receive in exchange. Enter swap details. Enter the amount of token you want to swap. KyberSwap will display an estimated amount of the token you will receive along with the best rates sourced from various liquidity providers. Review and confirm. Review the swap details, including the amount, fees and network gas. Ensure everything looks good and then click Swap. Confirm the transaction in your connected wallet. Track your swap. After confirming the transaction, you can track its status in your wallet and view the final details on KyberSwap.